Want to check who shared their post on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily check who have shared their post on Facebook. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to notifications at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you will be able to see all the notifications of who have shared their post or not. You can see all other notifications as well. If you couldn't find it here, then simply move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and move into the post in which you want to see who have shared it. Let's say we want to check it in this post. You can see 2 shares. Simply click on it. Once again, tap on 2 shares. And there you go, these are the people who have shared their post. So this is simply how you can check whether someone has shared their post or not. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.